The influential midfielder Teboho Mokoena has attracted attention from top teams owing to his quality displays for Masandawana. Mokoena has been linked with the move away from Mamelodi Sundowns after an impressive campaign for the club and national team Bafana Bafana. Premier League side Bournemouth, Al Ahly from Egypt and Qatari outfit Al Wakra have been reportedly salivating for Mokoena's services. But it is the Red Devils home to another South African, Percy Tau, who have been consistently linked with the midfielder, and his agent, Klein Binken, has responded to the rumors. He said, in recent months, there have been many speculations that Mokoena will join Al Ahly, but I cannot confirm or deny this. There are no negotiations between Al Ahly and Mokoena. I am not aware of Al Ahly negotiating with Sundowns regarding the player. Al Ahly may have contacted Sundowns, but from my side, I can confirm nor deny that. Everything being said about offers made to Mokoena is just rumors. He further said that, as far as I know, there are no offers from Al Ahly and the player still has 2 seasons remaining on his contract with Sundowns. There are no negotiations with Qatari club. This is not true. Mokwena's contract with Sundowns will expire at the end of 2025-26 campaign, and so far the player has not committed his future to Masandawana despite their willingness to retain him. The 27-year-old played a crucial role in helping the Brazilians win the Premier Soccer League for the 7th consecutive season, as well as inaugural African Football League. He made 2025 African Football League team of the tournament owing to his effective display. Mokoena is currently on holiday, the same as other players, after a tiresome season for both the club and Bafana Bafana. He hopes to work on his fitness after suffering a hamstring injury in the later stages of the season, but recovered on time to play the Nedbank Cup final and South Africa's World Cup qualifiers. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.